Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show around this stylish Citroen C3 Picasso. So this is a one-owner vehicle that comes with full Citroen service history. You get this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the radio that features a CD player and Bluetooth, and on top of this you also get air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. The car comes with a 1.4 litre petrol engine that gives you 95 horsepower. The car's done under 14,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.